Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for affiliate marketing with Amazon. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for affiliate marketing with Amazon, start by visiting the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button. Sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, you will begin by filling out your account information. Provide your name, address, and phone number in the required fields. Next, enter your website or mobile app details. If you don't have a website, you may share your social media profiles. In the Profile section, describe how you plan to drive traffic to your links. Select a store ID that reflects your website or app theme. Next, choose up to 10 content types that best reflect your marketing. This can include blogs, email newsletters, or YouTube channels. Then, review the operating agreement provided by Amazon. Once you are comfortable with the terms, agree to the conditions. After that, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email from Amazon about your application status. If approved, log in to your Amazon Associates account. From there, you can browse and select products to promote. Generate unique affiliate links for the products you choose. Remember to integrate these links into your content responsibly. Monitor your performance through the analytics provided in your dashboard. This will help you optimize your affiliate strategies over time. That's it, you are now ready to start earning with Amazon affiliate marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.